Hey guys, it's your girl Niecy, and I heard you when you said, Niecy, teach me how to make those removable Quickweave units. So I have developed a system just for you. This system would teach you how to discover measuring your client's head and making units according to the size of their heads. And also, it will increase your income where you're not standing so long behind the chair. So take advantage of this offer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Niecy, the beauty icon. So today I just wanted to share with you guys the units that I have. I have one on actually. If you guys want to take a look at it, I'm gonna model it for you and turn so you can see. I know a lot of you guys want to see the back. I never showed the back, so I just wanted you guys to see that. And I got a couple of other units that I wanted to show you as well. A couple of questions. People has been reaching out. Thank you. And I'm appreciating your support so much. But I do want to say a couple of questions that I wanted to address. Somebody asked if you can have a bald head and wear the clip-on units. So the thing with the bald head, unless you have hair that's on the side, you can clip it on. If you can get a braid around the hair, you can clip it on. You're gonna have to do your measurements beforehand. When you get ready to purchase, I will send you guys how to measure your head. So the unit that I have on now is considered a pixie unit. It is a full unit. It covers from head to the back. I left this kind of full because I know people don't like when they look up. When they look up and they have to be flipped up like that. So I left this kind of full back here. And I like for it to look as natural as possible. You see I pulled it back off my head and you can see the hairlines blended in with it, or you can adjust it to where you pull it forward where you can have a little bang action for those who like bangs. Now I'm a heavy sweater, so I don't like too much hair on my head anyway. This unit is good and then it's light and airy. Now somebody asked me to show them what the inside looked like, so I'm going to take this off. Let me comb my hair down because I didn't mold it. I just kind of laid it on top of my hair. And you see my hair is short already. Took them sides. Okay, so the units are light and fluffy and airy. Can you see that? It's breathable. It's a breathable unit. So it's not really thick. It's not going to be super hot on your head. And normally, see, this one right here is already sold. I like to model the unit so everybody can get a grip on. Because on the website, it shows specific looks, but every look is somewhat different. So, you know, you can really be versatile with your unit. You can curl it. You can cut it if you want to. The hair is human hair. So, and you just depending on where you want to go with your unit, we can customize your unit. Here's another one that's a little fuller. And again, let me comb my hair down. So this one is a topper as well, and you just install it from the back first. Snap it on in, and from the front, I'm not going to do the front, but you see the bangs are a little fuller. You can wear them more versatile if you wanted to. Put some curls in it. Just work your magic the best way you know how. This one is, I think it drops more on the sides. Like say for instance, you don't have the sides shaved, you still can wear this unit. It feels good and light. I don't know if you want to curl it. I like the relaxed look, not too many curls. That's just who I am. But y'all, everybody's different. Everybody's not the same. And again, I'm gonna turn to the back so you can see how it drops in the back. And it's really, really light. See? Okay. So whatever your look might be, you can wear it to the left or to the right. I would say more to the right. But yeah, left or right. And there you have it. Yeah, see, but I done sucked up some down laters. So, alrighty. And it comes off easy. Now, I would advise you guys, like if you're gonna wear this unit and your top is thinning, to go ahead and braid like the perimeter of your hair, just so when you clip the clippies in there, it'll have that support where it's not moving. Now if you're somebody who has like total thinness, total baldness, I don't know if that unit would be suitable for the look that you're going for. You would probably have to do the full unit, or if you have a little hair to grip around the sides, you can possibly get one of those units, but you'll have to make sure that the sides are still braidable, and then you'll have the shade part where it lay flat, or have it long enough to where it covers the sides. So here's another unit that I have, and this is one of the topper units that you can put on top of your hair. Y'all see that? This is like a light gray unit, and I'm just gonna show y'all how it looks. Have these clips installed in them, so when you get ready to put it on, you clip it on first. Okay, I'm looking in the mirror behind the camera, but okay, here we go. So this one is more for a petite head. My head is a little more on the average range. If y'all know what that means. And so I have what they call the frontal unit. They have a closure unit and a frontal unit. This is considered the frontal unit. And so this would really be my color. Y'all might see me in something like this when it gets a little cooler. But when it's hot, I don't want a lot of hair on me. So, you know, just a little soft curls. It hasn't been curled. It hasn't been cut. It's only been colored. So, and I still got to go in and tweeze the front of it. But this is a really pretty unit for those who like a little length. I think this is a 16-inch unit. If you guys can see that. Now this is really light and fluffy as well. Let me step back so you guys can see all the way. It's really light and fluffy. And I might have some pictures of curling it. But like I said, I just did a color on it and it's just been sitting for a few, and I just wanted to show you guys what I have to offer. So if you're interested in this unit, you will have to probably inbox me, or not inbox me, we're not on Facebook. You're gonna have to send me an email and I can send you an invoice for it. Like I said, it hasn't been cut, it hasn't been colored. But if you want it cut and color, I can do that as well. I mean, not cut and curl, color. Cut and curl, that's what I meant to say. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I have. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. You guys, I love the support. I love the fact that you guys been asking a lot of questions. I love the fact that you've been commenting. Thank you so much, guys. Jesus love you, and I do too. So I'll see you next time. You be blessed.